Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix Stripe requires additional verification error on Backend's AI. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so you don't really need Backend's AI for this. To fix the additional verifications error on Stripe, you have to collect additional identity verification from connected accounts to help reduce fraud losses. So by adding a few lines of your code to your Connect integration, you can request an ID document check during initial onboarding, match the ID photo with selfies of the document holder, disable payouts or payments based on verification status, and access captured images and data extracted from ID documents, receive detailed status updates and error messages. So you can do all of that if you just provide additional verifications for your Stripe account. So you'll need your ID, and you have to complete their KYC requirements. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.